So, in this video, I'm going to explain how the differences between see, look, and watch. All three are verbs, and all three are involved using your eyes. Now, let me explain to you about the differences between them. The first verb is see. The verb see is used when we just notice something but we're not necessarily focusing. For examples, can you see that sign? I see a man walking down the street. The second verb is look. We use look when we simply want to explain that we are moving our eyes to something. When you use look and an object follows the verbs, you need to follow look with at. For examples, I love this painting. I can look at it all day. I can't stop looking at him. He's so gorgeous. The third verb is watch. We use watch when we want to focus our attention on something. Focusing your attention can be on something happening in front of you, like a performance, or it can be movie. For examples, are you watching the hockey game tonight? Right now you are watching this video. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Bye!